Take a look here, 96, that was the high today. It's okay to be normal sometimes, because if you look at the record, which was set back in the horrible summer of 1980, it was 110. The normal high is 96. That's where we were today. The low this morning was 75. The normal is 76. So if you go look outside right now, 95 degrees the temperature, which again, I just want to show you the normal is 96. So yes, it's hot when you look at the 95, but it's the norm, which really is not so bad. A little bit humid though. It feels like 99 degrees when you factor in humidity. South winds at 13 miles an hour. Pollen count, grass is moderate and fungus is low today. Satellite and radar, you see the cloud cover in southeastern portions of North Texas. A sprinkle or a little shower down there toward Palestine, Jacksonville, and Athens. Just very little rain falling there in southeastern portions of the area. This is all from that tropical disturbance that pulled on shore. Now, this tropical disturbance we were monitoring for days because it was kind of just tracking along the coast. And if it were able to put its center over the warm Gulf waters a little bit longer, it might have been a tropical depression or a tropical storm, but it didn't make it to that status. So now it's just bringing some scattered showers and thunderstorms to parts of the deep south. And then here in North Texas, just a little bit of cloud cover and some very light rain southeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So as we go through tonight, that cloud cover will linger in southern portions of North Texas throughout Saturday. So as we get into Saturday afternoon, maybe a sprinkle down toward Waco or Mahia and Hamilton. That's it. Otherwise, most of North Texas stays mostly sunny throughout the day. A little bit more cloud cover to the south with the sunshine. We have the UV index is going to be high. In fact, it'll be very high to extreme. This goes to 11. I don't know why it goes to 11, but it does go to 11. It doesn't go to 10. It goes to 11. Maybe Spinal Tap created it. I have no idea. But 11, that's the highest you can get on the UV index. That's where it's going to be tomorrow. 98 degrees Monday, 97 Tuesday, Wednesday 98. Heat index values 100 or higher over the next 5 days. The normal high is 96. So we will be above that, but not by a lot. Then you factor in the humidity. It's going to feel a little bit worse. 104 in Dallas tomorrow, 103 in Fort Worth. You can see the influence of the cloud cover south of I-20. So you see areas down to the south of I-20 where it stays in the upper 90s for heat index value. Still hot, but the higher humidity, the higher heat, that's going to be north of I-20. Mineral Wells will feel like 101 tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, 77 degrees, mostly clear, warm, muggy with light winds. Tomorrow, 96. Hot and humid, breezy at times. South winds 10 to 20. Heat index up to 103. 14-day forecast, 98 Monday, 97 Tuesday. Notice it's dry over the next several days. I say several because if you look at the end of the first half of the 14-day, a whopping 10% chance for a shower or thunderstorm by the end of next week. And then it just goes back to dry and mostly sunny. High temperatures getting very close to 100 degrees. No extreme heat just yet. That could be lurking though as we head into August. But right now we'll just say upper 90s, close to 100.